Good day, this is YouTube channel of Unitech Marine Supply India. We are supplier of all kinds of tested hydraulic pumps and hydraulic motors. This is testing video of Staffa HMC080. We test hydraulic motor by giving load on shaft of motor. This is most authentic way to know actual performance of motor. On load we check torque of motor and compare same with pressure to know its mechanical efficiency. At the same time we also check volumetric efficiency by comparing rotation of motor with flow of oil. Hydraulic mechanical efficiency and volumetric efficiency are displayed at real time in percentage. While testing on load we also read leakage of oil and compare same with increasing pressure. Graphs are generated for pressure versus torque for mechanical efficiency and for flow versus RPM for volumetric efficiency. Only well-performing motor on testing are further supplied. Currently hydraulic motor is rotating at higher displacement. The hydraulic mechanical and volumetric efficiency displayed is as per full displacement.